Let's eat! Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today, I'm gonna finally be making the famous Tick Tock Pasta. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and put some olive oil on the bottom of our pan. We're gonna go ahead and put in our cherry tomatoes. Be sure not to get the huge tomatoes. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle on some pepper. We're gonna sprinkle on some salt. I'll put all the measurements down below for you as well. And we're gonna go ahead and blend everything together. All right, you're supposed to use a block of feta, but I'm gonna use crumble. I did not see a block of feta at the store I went to. This one does have garlic and herb seasoning, but I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit more minced garlic. You can also use fresh garlic if you would like. I'm just trying to make things easier and faster for myself. We're gonna go ahead and add our feta cheese in the middle of our dish. We're gonna add on a little drizzle of olive oil on top of our feta. We're gonna add on a little bit more pepper, a little bit more salt, and this is to your liking. And we're gonna add on some oregano. You can start boiling your pasta at this point. We're gonna go ahead and put our dish in the oven on 400 for about 30 minutes. And this is how it's gonna come out. Be sure to gently press down on your tomatoes. We don't want them to be whole, unless you do, but the recipe calls for you to gently press down on your tomatoes. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend everything together. It's time for the pasta. Be sure to set aside a cup of your pasta water just in case your dish is not like moist enough, shall I say. Sometimes you might add too much pasta and it won't be as like juicy from all the cheese and the olive oil. So save a little bit of pasta water just in case you might need it. That's why I'm adding in my pasta a little at a time so that I don't add too much. All right, now I'm adding on my parsley. You can add on any type of garnish you would like. You can add on spinach as well. It's up to you. And we're gonna go ahead and blend everything together well. All right, now it's time to plate this yummy looking dish. I'm so excited to try this famous Tick Tock pasta. It smells delicious and it looks delicious. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and hit all notifications so you'll be notified when I upload another yummy video. Enjoy!